we are going to add post tags field on this form. Just go to Google and search this plugin. Click on this GitHub link. To get it, click on this download zip link. Create Amplify folder under Project Public Directory. And then drop both CSS and JS files of this plugin into this folder. Let's include this plugin CSS and JS files on pages layout blade file. And initiate this plugin like this. Open Add Post Blade file and add Post Tags field on this form. As you can see, we have now tags field on this form. Just type any word and hit enter or add comma symbol after every tag. Also add this field on edit post form. So, we are going to add post underscore tags column after this post underscore content column. As you can see, we have now post underscore tags column on this table. Open author controller class file and make some changes on create and update post. Back to add post blade file and reset post tags field after new post successfully created. Let's test by adding new post with tags. As you can see, we have this success message. And also, post tags field became empty after post created. By looking into posts table, we see that created post has tags value. Let's try to update this post. As you can see, post tags displayed on this form. You can now edit this tags. Good, post tags have been updated. Friends, this is how you can add post tags on your blog. See you in next video.